Good morning, good morning. I thought I would just jump on and do a little bit of live trading with you this morning. It's 8 a.m. The kids are just having their breakfast ready for school, so I thought I'd just jump on and have a little look and see what's going on in the trading world. So I'm going to share my screen. Share. Right, okay. What you are looking at here is something called the Harmonic Scanner. Now, IML give you this Harmonic Scanner as part of your customer package, and it is the most incredible tool. I know that people have paid like $5,000 for this outside of IML before because it is so good. What it does, it's basically a very, very intelligent robot that scans the Forex markets for signals, good setups, that sort of thing. And it sends you these patterns. Now, what you do is you look for the latest one. So I'm with JFX, the broker. So I go on here and I look for the latest scanner for the 15-minute charts. So I can do this like in and amongst the normal day. And I look for a new chart that's come up. Well, this one came up this morning. This one here, can I get rid of this? It's a bit slow because I'm screen sharing. Right, this pattern here came up. Hopefully that will disappear. Live TV for you. There we go. Go away. I can't get rid of my indicator bit now. Go away, go away, go away. Look, the markets can't wait for you to go away. Oh, goodness me. Anyway, let's see if I move this screen around, it might disappear. Good morning, Joe. Right, anyway. Okay, right, anyway. Let's forget about this little corner bit. I don't know if I can get rid of it. It does, it just normally disappears. It's probably because I'm screen sharing. Anyway. It's too early for me to worry about that. Right, this is a Harmonic Scanner, and basically what you do is you look to see if there is a good setup. This one that's come up is for the USD CAD, so the US dollar up against the Canadian dollar. Now, you're looking for sort of three things really before you take a trade on this scanner. Three things that I like to check for. Right, these long colourful lines are called candles. A blue one is a buy candle and a red one is a sell candle. Now, this setup is telling you that your entry price is here and your take profits are here. So this is a sell order because as it sells and comes down, these are the profit levels, right? So at the moment, the blue candles are going up. Now, one of the things you need to look for is, does the blue candle breach or touch this entry line? And it has. You see on this D point here, it has breached. All right, so that's a very good indication that it's now coming down, as you can see it is. Is the RSI over 60 or, you know, over 70? Well, at the moment, it's on like about 60. So, because it's starting to come down a little bit, but it was up here. So, yeah, that's another good indication. You want this to be overbought. Sorry, you want it to be up here so that it's overbought for it to come down again. This indicator is called a stochastic. And this shows you the movement in the market. Now, the blue line is a buy, the red line is a sell. And as you can see, the red line has crossed the blue line, which means the sellers have now gained control of this market. So this is now a seller's market. And as you can see, the next candle that's coming down is a red candle, right? So this, I would get into this instantly. I haven't got my phone on. I can't even get into this trade. I'm like, oh, I missed it, right? But literally, you'd get in for a sell here and you would literally grab sort of 5, maximum 10 pips out of this because look, the first take profit is here. So I would have got in as soon as I saw this red candle forming and I would have ridden this down for a sell. Now, this is called the quick fire strategy because it's quick. Literally, if you've got some time in and amongst your day, you can literally come onto the scanner, have a quick scan for 15-minute charts, see these indications, make sure that, you know, these candles have hit or breached the entry line. See this shadowing here, this is called Bollinger Bands. Now you want this candle to have hit or breached the Bollinger Band as well, which it's done. So every indication on this trade is saying that, you know, this is a brilliant trade. So we've breached the entry line, we have got the candles are touching or going over the Bollinger Bands. We've got RSI up here quite high before I would have got in, and the stochastic red line has crossed. So you would have got in for a sell, you would have grabbed these pips down here, so it would have been about 5 pips at the moment. You'd be in profit if you grab these. So that's your 5 pips. But remember, you only need like 10 pips a day to set yourself financially free, because a pip is the price that you put against it. So you can put, it depends on what lot size you want, depends on what risk you want to put it on. So a pip could be anything from 10 cents to $100. So that pip is determined by what lot size you put on it. Okay, so if you were to grab 5 pips here, you know, if you'd have put a big lot size on that, that could be $500, or that could be $50, or it could be $5, or it could be 50p, right? So, you know, it depends on what you do. But look, already, look, this one, because of all these indications, has hit take profit 1 already. So you would have grabbed all this profit. Now, with quickfire, I tend to just go for 5 pips and I get out, because I don't like to risk. The longer you're in it, the more risk you're getting, because this could turn, right? Every indication said this was coming down. Look, everything is pointing down. The red's still over, so this might come down a little bit further. But I would have got out here. If I was in this trade line, I would have got out of here and I've just grabbed those pips and said, thank you very much. I'm going to go and get on with my day, right? So see it's sort of hovering around this mark. So just get out. Just grab this and get out. So this is how cool the Harmonic Scanner is. So I am going to go and make sure the kids are getting their shoes and socks on and getting ready for school. But yeah, I'm gutted actually that I didn't take this trade. Oh my, why didn't I take this trade? I would have been 5 pips up already this morning in a couple of minutes. Look, I've been on, yeah, what, 5-10 minutes? Look, done. Look, and it's still going down. The pips are still rolling in. So this is our Harmonic Scanner, and you get this as part of the IML package when you become a customer. And it's an incredible tool, and it scans all the different brokers. It scans for hour charts, 4-hour charts, day charts, 15-minute charts. And look at all these that have come in. Look, these are all patterns that you can go and have a look at. So this is the USD CAD. Oh, let's shrink it up a bit. See, look, it's going down still. Look at that. So you could have grabbed that one there. Let's see what else is on the scan. Let's look at the NZD-JPY one. This is a bat pattern. They call it bats because these are meant to look like a bat, this yellow thing. But right, let's just see if this one would have worked. Right, okay. So your entry price is up here. Your candle, well, it kind of, the wick touched the entry, but I wouldn't got in this one because that's not touching enough for me. But this second candle is going up. If this second candle goes up and breaches this entry line, then I'd check to see, because at the moment, look, the blue line's over the top. So this is, the buyers are in control of this one. The buyers have control of this, so I would not get in for a sell at the moment. No way. You've got to wait until the sellers are in control, that it's overbought, sorry, and that your next candle's going red. So you can look at this and go, no, that's not ready. That's not ready. So anyway, I'm waffling on now and I have to go because, you know, I'm going to stop screen sharing. Right, that's the Harmonic Scanner, and that's how awesome it is. Sorry about the technical difficulties earlier, but, you know, if I can do this, anyone can do this. So don't forget, we are doing the hashtag, is that what you do as kids? Hashtag ForexTrade30. If you search for hashtag ForexTrade30 on Facebook, you will find our whole team doing these little videos, just showing you the tools and the products and the incredible service that IML offer. So check that out. And also, if you are interested in watching me trading live, you can join my Facebook group. It's called Making Sense of Forex Trading. It's a completely open group. You can come and just have a look, check it out, check out IML, check out what it is we're up to, no obligation. So if you would like to join that Facebook group, just message me or I'll put a link in the comments below and you can come and have a look at that as well. And you'll be very, very welcome. And also check me out on YouTube, please. There's videos on there daily as well. So thank you very much for jumping on my video today. I hope you've learned something about the Harmonic Scanner because it is an awesome tool. And it's just one of very many tools that you get with IML. Right, thank you. I'm going. Bye.